Unit 12, Day 4 notes. Today we're going to talk about finding the surface area and volume of a sphere. You'll have a test next class. So the main important information you need for the sphere is the radius and the formulas for everything. So the radius of this sphere is 4.8 inches. And let's look at the formula chart for our formulas. So for a sphere, we don't have lateral area. We only have total surface area. And the formula is 4 times pi times radius squared. And then for the volume, it's 4 over 3 times pi times radius cubed. So let's write this down before we forget. So surface area was 4 times pi times radius squared. For volume, it was 4 over 3 times pi times radius cubed. Let's double check to make sure we wrote those right. Yes and yes, good. Okay, so it's 4 times pi is standard, and then the 4 over 3 times the pi is standard for the bottom, for the volume. So our radius is 4.8, and since we don't need one to calculate the other, we can calculate them both at the same time. For pi times 4.8 squared. There's our surface area. And then 4 divided by 3 pi times 4.8 carat cubed. So our surface area is 289.53 and our volume is 463.25. Let's write those down. I forgot them already. I believe it was 289.53 and 4 something. I wish the calculator could stay on the screen. 463.25. 463.25. And our units for area would be inches squared, and for volume, it's inches cubed. On this second sphere that we're given our diameter. So we got to take our diameter and divide it by 2 to find our radius. So 34 divided by 2 is 17 meters. Again, our formula for surface area is 4 times pi times radius squared. For volume, it's 4 over 3 times pi times radius cubed. So we insert our radius, 17, into both formulas. And grab our handy dandy calculator. Just gonna copy the formula I just used and just type this over. Delete. There we go. So our area is 3631.68. 3631.68 meters squared. And now we calculate our area. Again, I'm just going to copy it down. And just change what needs to be changed. Alright, looks good. And our volume is 20,579.53. 20,579.53 meters cubed. Let's just double check that I wrote everything correctly from the calculator. Looks good. Alrighty, folks. And this concludes our notes for today.